What's up and welcome back to my channel, you guys, and today I'm going to be doing a power hour video for you guys. It is going to be the after dark or evening power hour clean with me. This is also a collab with my friend Amanda from This Crazy Life. She is an awesome YouTuber here. I just did an interview with her a few weeks ago on how she grew her YouTube channel super fast, and now me and her are gonna collab on this video, so you guys are gonna get a double dose of cleaning motivation. If you didn't watch that interview with her, Amanda is an awesome mama here on YouTube that does cleaning videos. She does grocery hauls. She gives you like a little bit of a different twist on her videos, and I absolutely love it. She has an amazing personality, and we are also going to be doing a live with you guys on Instagram the day that this video posts. So if you guys would please head over to her channel after my video, show her some love, go show her some support, let her know I sent you. That would be amazing, and we're just gonna jump right into this video. So it is 8:58 right now. It is 9 p.m. just about, so I have until 10 p.m. to get this place cleaned up. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning off my counters. I had like clothes on the counter and a bunch of recycle that needed to go out. So when I do the dishes, I like to put a stopper in the sink and go ahead and fill up the sink with hot soapy water. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Mint, the scent Mint, for my dish soap. So while the sink is loading up, I went ahead and put some of the dishes that I hand washed earlier that day away. So I do want to let you guys know that me and Amanda are actually going live on this day that you watch this video that evening at 7 p.m. Mountain Pacific time. But we're going to be doing a dual Instagram live, which is really exciting. I've never done an Instagram live, period, along with doing it with a friend or a fellow YouTuber. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are excited too, and I would love for you guys to come over to our Instagrams and go ahead and meet us over in the live, kind of hang out with us, and, you know, ask us questions and just come and hang out. It will be super fun, so hopefully I'll see you guys there.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean off the kitchen table just because we had like Ava's dinner that was still sitting there for her to finish, and some other things that I want to make sure that I get in the dishwasher and cleaned. And as far as what I do for my dishes, I try and hand wash the bigger dishes and put them on the dry dish mat, and then like the pots and pans are bigger salad bowls, things like that, and then everything else in the dishwasher.
Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day.
So now what I like to do at the end of the night, and every time I wash my dishes, I always clean my sink. But at the end of the night, I go ahead and use a product. I use the Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser, and I just throw that all around the sink, and it just gives it real clean, real shine. And before I put the product down, you guys, I do rinse out the sink. I don't know if I showed that, but definitely like making sure all the food is out of the sink. It makes cleaning a lot easier.
Sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
And look how pretty that is.
Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day.
next product I'm going to use is this Women's cooktop, and it just really cleans my glass stove really good. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean off the counters with my Method. I think it's the scent Grapefruit. It's a really pretty, like, fun scent, so I really like using that. I had Remy walking all around me during this time, so that's why I'm like stopping and moving my feet around, because he's like rocking around my legs while I was trying to
In the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to...
So I did have some food right here on the wall, so I wanted to make sure I got that. Any kind of like splatters I have to take care of like right then and there, because it will stain the backsplash of your wall. And then another thing I like to do is clean off my little jars here, because they get splatters of grease on them when I'm cooking, and so I have to keep up with it, or else I'll have buildup of grease and it stinks, and I don't like that.
You're stronger now than you ever been.
So I am going in with a different cloth. This is actually from Grove Collaborative. It's like silicose cloth. I never say it right. It's a little bit harder texture, so it really scrubs the food and grime from the stove and anywhere that I'm cleaning.
Oh, and just remember.
So right now I'm going in with the Caldrea counter spray. It is safe to use on my kitchen table, and I use it on wood, and it's been totally fine. But it smells amazing, and the smell like lingers until the next day. I think mine's like Hair Blossom. So now we are going to go ahead and tidy up the living room and pick up all of Ava's toys that are everywhere, pillows thrown everywhere, so that's what we're going to do here. And I'm going to use the same counter spray on the tables in there also. And then this is our little workout room, so I am going to tidy up that area also. Another thing too is if you can start like a nighttime cleaning routine, it just really helps you for the next day. Like, you have a lot of things you have to do the next day, and if you don't have to worry about tidying up your downstairs or tidying up your house in the morning, then you can kind of get your to-do list done and attend to your kids and things like that with a little less tasks to do. So right here I'm using my Women's stainless steel wipes, and they are really amazing. I always take a paper towel after I use them and wipe it down. I don't know if that's counterproductive, but I really like the shine from the wipes. Personally, I have both the spray and the wipes. That's just how I do it. And the same thing goes for like my dishwasher and all my stainless steel products. It just gives it a real nice shine from all of the fingerprints from that day. It's 10 p.m. I'm all done. I'm super pooped. I feel really good about everything that I got cleaned up. I had 4 minutes left, and I wanted to hurry up with the sweeping so I can get the refrigerator done and like the stainless steel done. And I had 4 minutes, so I was like, yes, I can knock it out really quick. So I'm really happy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation. If you are super tired but you want to wake up to a clean house and you need some motivation, just watch our videos and it will kind of help get you in the mood. And just remember how good it's going to feel the next day when your house is clean and organized and put together, and you don't have to worry about anything besides the task for that day. So I love you guys so much. If you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. And don't forget to check out Amanda's video. I will have all of her links down below in the description box. And I will see you guys soon.